Yes, folks, it's time for another ramen dish. We're making lemon ramen waffles. Now, we don't need no stinking seasoning packet. But we do need some ramen. Let's cook it up. Bowl, half cup of flour, tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon baking soda, shake of salt. It calls for half a cup of buttermilk. I'm going to use eggnog. 1 egg. Grate a little lemon and some lemon juice. Splash of vanilla and mix it up. Add that ramen and mix again. We have our batter. Let's make some waffles. Ramen lemon waffle. Who knows? Let's try it. That's fun. And an unusual texture. You can top it with any syrup you like. What kind of dinosaur likes lemons? Tyrannosaurus Rex.